For our first craft, you're gonna make this beautiful greeting card. For that, we just took a little hard paper, and now we're just gonna take your paintbrush. You can even use sketch pen or a marker, and we're gonna just make. Okay guys, so we are done with it, and now we're gonna take our glue dots and we're gonna start sticking them. And you will also need your glitter. So let's get started. And just gotta stick it. You have to be really careful with the glue dots. They're really sticky, and like I did one over here. We're gonna do golden, silver, golden, silver. It's gonna be alternative. Okay guys, so it is ready. Mind-blowing, amazing New Year card is ready, and you can give it to your loved ones. And especially this is made for a person who likes lights. Plus, you can see it. So guys, this was the first card, and now we're gonna make another card. So, first what I did is I just used some pencil, whatever you want. I just made a small circle, and then I made this, a Happy New Year signboard. So let's just save this for later. So first we're gonna take your glue. Our beautiful Happy New Year card is ready, and you can give this to a loved one. So now these are the two card ideas which I know you guys will love. So this New Year, give someone something special. Guys, I used some tight paper and I just cut these two circles, and I made that clock. So we're gonna make the same clock. So let's just get started. First I'm going to take, if you're not sure if you can actually do the numbers properly, not confident enough, you can use a pencil. So let's just get started. First we're going to take a gem. I'm going to place it to the center. And just place it on the center. I'm done painting these, and I'm going to just stick our toothpick, as you can see on that clock. So let's just stick it now. Now we're just going to turn it. Be careful, and we're going to just use our Fevicol. I'm going to glue the toothpick in the middle. And make sure that the pointy side is downward so that you can just poke it into the cake or something like cupcake, whatever. Turn this over, and you can set it if anything's wrong or something like that. And I'm going to do the same with the other clock. Just turn it over. I'm using the sun to just see where the 6 is, because like the 6 is in the center over here. Just gonna put some glue. And also be careful that it's straight. And we are done. Stick some cupcakes cupcakes, you can make some homemade cupcakes also. And we just add some sprinkles on top just for a little jazz up. And now we're just gonna put in our clocks, which we made. So we're using toothpicks, so no problem at all. And that's why I told you to keep the pointy side down. Ta 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 ta! You have your mind-blowing clock cupcakes, and you can enjoy these cupcakes easily. I call these clock cakes. Okay, guys. So for our next DIY, we're gonna take a glass, and even you can take some bottles if you want. And I just used some hard paper and cut 2019, which make up 2019. And now I'm gonna be using some glue. I'm gonna be pasting this one on our glass. So just gonna lay it down like that. And I'm gonna tell my mom to hold it. Okay guys, so we're gonna like color this a little bit.
Golden color.
And gold, obviously, because just in case if it's left some, if it did not come in some places, it won't look bad.
Only one layer.
And you need not do like hundreds of layers. On like one layer is necessary.
100 layers. One layer only.
Yeah. Just keep this simple. And we are done. So our color has dried, and we're just taking a little bit of this glittery stuff. We have cut it from this thing. Yeah. So let's just get started. So I'm just gonna be putting some glue. Guys, so after rolling it, if there are some places where it hasn't come, you can put it by hand like I am doing over here.
So this is ready.
It's ready. Okay guys, so now I have made this in many of my videos. It's like my favorite thing. So we're just gonna put glue on top of our thing like this, and we have made these bunches in many of my videos. It's like my favorite. So we're just gonna stick this right on top of our number
And
press it. Girl fingers. So guys, it's ready and it's really beautiful.
sorry. 9 here.
Oh, sorry, really sorry. We made it into 2091. Okay, so yeah, I'm really happy. Okay, we just made this into the future, but let's get back 2019. Yeah. So for this treat, first we're gonna start by decorating our cup, and we're gonna be putting a little bit of honey on the rim, and then we just took some powdered sugar and just put a little bit of food coloring. You can use any color of food coloring you want. You can even use salt, and in place of the honey, you can substitute it with lemon. And you can even make this as a fun activity in your Christmas Eve party, and like
New Year party.
yeah, like New Year, Christmas. Sorry, what am I saying? Christmas Eve. Okay, like in the New Year Eve party. So that's like the good thing. Yeah. Okay, it's really hard to get hold of some salt. I mean sugar. And 10 to 10. So it's ready. I'm just placing it. It's beautiful. Apple juice, and then you can just add in like something like pomegranate. I'm adding strawberries. So your guess. So guys, it's ready and it looks delicious. You can even cut the strawberries and put them in. this like so. We'll keep a little space in the middle so that we can just put in our light. I just bought this one from Amazon. If I can, I'll put the link down in the description box. And then we're just gonna put a ball on top of it.
And you want to permanent?
And if you want to do it permanently, you can just use your hot glue gun. And then we have already filled our punch into this. So I just bought some punch and just put it inside the.
And little bit press it.
You have to press it a little bit. And then I'm just gonna. And I just on the lights and it looks awesome.
I think this is awesome party drink.
Yeah, it's an awesome party drink plus a good decoration. So if you just see from this, just put in some strawberries.
And I have already put it in vanilla essence.
Yeah, and I've already put in a little bit of vanilla essence to put a little more of the flavor and more of the joy. So
You also add ice cream also.
you can even add ice cream, but it's winter, so no.
So I think this is the
Best.
beautiful.
It's really awesome. And I'm controlling this light with the help of this remote control. You can just change the colors accordingly.
Change it.
And so I'm gonna just change it. First I'm gonna off it, and then on, and then I can just red, all the shades of red, and then green, all the shades of green, like from green to turquoise, and then blue.
But I like red
Yeah, from blue to pink.
because drink yeah.
So my mom likes the effect of red on the drink, but I love the turquoise one. I love the turquoise shade. I just have the turquoise one. So guys, your New Year Eve party is ready, and this is so cool. So this are glasses.
No, this is star.
Oh yeah, and about these stars, what we did is we just took some golden paper, cut out stars, and just you can make
This
a
is very simple, only simple paper and
it's really simple, and then you can just use something and then just make a hole according to the place where you want to put it. Like I had to put it in my cannon, so I just cut the hole according to that. And this is like the most simplest craft ever after.
this
So,
is paper star, simple.
really simple. And then
This
our
is-
clock, cupcakes,
And this
clock cakes. And then you have our cups, 2019, the glam, the show. And then you
This
have
is-
our little juice, and then our beautiful glass, and then you have our punch. And then if you want to put in some snacks, I just put in some chips. That's it. Pretty much something to munch on.
This is completely
Awesome!
amazing.
Happy New Year 2019 to everyone out there watching this video. Happy New Year!